Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, welcome. My name is Amanda and today I want to unbox with you my new Blueland cleaning supplies. Blueland is a brand that I saw first on Instagram and I just was attracted to the clean and minimalistic looking packaging, and when I looked into it I realized that they had been on Shark Tank and they are just more environmentally friendly cleaning supplies. So I was super excited to get this package and I bought it during Black Friday. So they had a special promotion going on and so I wanted to unbox it for you guys. And I did kind of unbox at work because I was just too excited, but I will do an official unboxing for you guys today. So this is what the package looks like. It says the future of clean has arrived, and it also says better for you, better for the planet. So let's go into it. It's actually a really huge and heavy box. I wasn't expecting it to be so huge and heavy. When I got it, I was like, are the bottles super heavy? Because the packaging is pretty heavy, but we'll dive into it and I'll let you guys know. So when you first open the box, it looks like this. It says refill is the new recycle, and I really love that. Basically these bottles are meant to last forever and then you just refill it with new cleaning solutions. So it has this little packet that says how it works. Basically you fill the bottle with warm or hot water, then you drop in the tablet that matches the bottle and it dissolves. And you basically just wait for it to dissolve and then put on the nozzle and get cleaning. So it's very simple. It also says the different ingredients in the different cleaners and soap. And then it says you're helping to eliminate over 5 billion cleaning bottles from being thrown away each year. So essentially what Blueland is they provide these refillable bottles and you basically buy the tablets or refills, and that's basically the cleaning solution. You just mix it with water, and they're really trying to eliminate single-use plastic from cleaning products. So let me open it up for you, take this layer out, and these are the bottles. How beautiful are these? Oh my goodness. They're so clean and pretty. Oh my goodness. Oh, okay. All right. This box is so huge. So there are 3 different cleaners and then 1 hand soap in this kit, or you can just get the cleaners without the soap. So I just decided to get the one with soap. I got the soap because I needed soap anyway, and I thought like it's just one less single-use container that I use in my home. So let's go into the bottles. It says glass and mirror here. I don't know if you can see that. But basically it's a really pretty acrylic bottle that's meant to last, and this one's blue so that you know it's supposed to be the glass and mirror cleaner, and this is the nozzle. It's very simple and sleek, and then it has blue over here so that you know right away which one it is. And even though the box is really heavy, the bottles themselves are actually really light, and they actually are bigger than what I was expecting, like this next to my face. But yeah, it's just very tall. I would say it's about like a roller length, like a foot tall. But yeah, it's definitely taller than I expected, or bigger. But I am not mad about that because that means you get more cleaning product in a bottle. So the next bottle is a multi-surface cleaner, and I don't know if you can see that, but it says multi-surface right there. So basically this is just like an everyday cleaner, I guess. I would say maybe it's kind of like equivalent to maybe like a 409, or just something that you would use on any surface, I guess, or just a regular cleaning product. This one is yellow, as you can see, and right here, so that'll be easy to tell which one is which. Last but not least is the bathroom cleaner. So it is pink, and you can kind of see that it says bathroom right here. So this is kind of like, I would say, for like the bathroom sink and tub, and maybe like the outside of a toilet if I wanted to like clean that part. But I don't know if it's meant to be used inside the toilet. I feel like you need a little bit heavier duty cleaner for that, but basically this is for the bathroom. And then last but not least is the hand soap, and this is a lot bigger and heavier than I expected it to be. As you can see, it actually says Blueland on it, and it says foaming hand soap. So this is a foaming hand soap, but I don't know, I think the bottom of this is just heavier than the other bottles, maybe because it's meant to be, you know, more sturdy and like stay on the surface so that when you do use it, you're not, it's not going to move around, because I feel like foaming hand soap, it does take a little bit more pressure to pump out, and so they probably didn't want to, they wanted to make sure that it was heavy duty and would stay in place as you use it. I don't know if I quite like how it says Blueland on it, versus the other bottles don't really say it except for the little round colored tab on it. So it's interesting that they put the logo on here and the company brand, but I still think it's a very clean look, so I don't think it's a big deal, but just FYI, I don't know if I really noticed that when I was purchasing it, but it's okay. They all come with the tablets in the beginning, which totally makes sense, like that's what you're basically buying. So once you put water into the bottles, then you dump the tablets in, and these are the different tablets that you have to choose from. So the blue one, I guess, is glass and mirror, and then the yellow one is multi-surface, and then the pink one is for the bathroom. And then you have this smaller tab for the foaming hand soap. And what's nice is that each refill, like every time you have to purchase another tablet, it's only $2. So you're basically paying for $2 refills for as long as you keep these bottles, which they hope is forever. So I feel like over the long run, you're saving money, like you're investing a little bit more for these bottles initially, but after that it's only $2 to replenish your cleaning supply. And it's nice because you don't have to exactly wait till you're completely done with the solution. Like once you're kind of getting low, you can order the tablet in advance and have that ready to go once you finish. If you were able to get one of their Black Friday or Cyber Monday deals, you're probably likely enough to get some additional refills. So for me, I got additional refills of the hand soap, and they're like holiday themed. So we have evergreen scent, gingerbread, and peppermint. So I'm pretty excited about that. A little bit more about the cleaning products and what makes them different. I mean, outside of the reusable and refillable bottles, the cleaning solution is non-toxic, it's pet-free, I mean, not pet-free. It's pet safe and child safe, so you could use it around kids, pets, which is really important because we have Kona, and I was always kind of cautious to use cleaning products with him around, and it's okay to use around pregnant women. Not that I'm going to be pregnant anytime soon, but it's just nice to know that it's non-toxic ingredients and solutions that you can use around whoever you need to. I've also heard really great things about it, and I've heard that it's pretty effective. I just feel like this is a good decision for the earth and the planet, and I feel like this I just eliminated a few single-use plastic items from my home, which just makes me feel better about myself. Out of all the things that I bought during like Black Friday and Cyber Monday, this was one of the products that I was most excited about receiving, so I just wanted to share this if you hadn't heard about them before, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. So please give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Maybe I'll post a review later on once I start using these products, but thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!